Do you know the pistol used by the police? Yes, that pistol is the Glock. The Glock pistol, often referred to simply as Glock, is a type of semi-automatic pistol renowned for its innovative design and high reliability. Developed by the Austrian company Glock Gaston, this pistol is known for its lightweight polymer frame, corrosion resistance, and versatile magazine capacity. Glock is utilized by numerous law enforcement and military agencies worldwide. Its simple yet effective design has made it a preferred choice for various purposes, ranging from law enforcement duties to personal use.